Hey everyone, welcome to Timelapse. If this is your first time here, welcome. I hope you really enjoy this video. If you're one of my long-term subscribers, thank you for coming back, and I hope you enjoy this video as well. Now everyone, sit back, relax, and let's enjoy this pool being built. Wow, didn't that turn out to be an amazing pool build? Now, if you stayed this long, thank you for watching the entire video. And if you haven't done so already, please hit that like and subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications to be notified the next time we post a video. Now, if you want to show some more support, head on over to poollapse.com where you can find pool resource guides and some swag to show your support for the channel. Now, I hope you all have a great week, and we hope to see you on the next one. Take care.